Understanding an earful, unraveling English idioms. Hello, dear language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into a colorful expression that's music to the ears of English idioms, an earful. Whether you're a seasoned English speaker or just starting out, understanding phrases like this can add a natural flair to your conversation skills. So, let's tune in. When someone says they got an earful, it doesn't mean their ears were filled with something physical. This idiom actually means that they received a lot of information, usually complaints or criticism, and more than they wanted. It's the kind of information that can make your ears feel like they've been overwhelmed by words. Curious about where this phrase comes from? While the exact origin isn't clear, it's been a part of English vernacular for quite some time. It's believed to stem from the idea of filling someone's ear with your words, just like a cup might be filled with water. This metaphorical filling up emphasizes the intensity and often unwelcome nature of the information being given. Now let's put it into practice. An earful is used in casual and informal contexts. Here are some examples. I was late for dinner, and my mom gave me an earful about punctuality. After the meeting, the boss gave everyone an earful about the importance of teamwork. Notice that in both sentences, the phrase indicates a lot of talking, usually with a negative connotation. English is rich with idioms. If you want to express a similar idea to an earful, you could also say, "She gave me a piece of her mind." "I got a lecture." Each of these suggests receiving a lot of unsolicited advice or opinions. And there we have it. Next time you hear someone got an earful, you'll know they weren't at a concert, but they might have endured a verbal symphony. I hope this explanation helps you feel more confident in understanding and using English idioms. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be the one giving us all an earful of your English prowess. Until next time, happy learning!